Hi everyone, this is Reena and this is a set of English question paper which I have prepared for my school kids. I just thought of sharing these questions with you all. This one I have prepared for the final exam, that means the term 2 annual exam question paper for UKG kids. In this question paper I have included questions in various topics like name the picture, this or that, a or an, frame sentences, draw the opposite pictures, blend sounds, rhyming words, diphthongs, one and many, and question answers. Now let's see the questions in detail. The first question is name the picture. This is based on the 3-letter words like the pictures are hut, box, fan, and men using A, E, I, O, U vowels. So ask your child to write the names in the given space. Now let's see the second topic, that is our next question is based on this or that. The second question is fill up with this or that. Here we have dash is a tree and there is a long arrow which shows the distance. So based on the distance, the child should fill it in the blanks like this or that. The second one is dash is a log. The log is very nearby the sentence. So the child should fill like this. Third one is dash is a ball. The ball is also very nearby. So the child will be filling it as this. The fourth one is dash is a pen. Yes, the pen is very far away from the distance. The arrow shows like that, right? So ask your child to find out the distance and ask her to fill the right one, this or that. Now let's see the third question. The third question is write a or an. This is based on article. So ask your child to read the words, all 3-letter words. So ask them to read it carefully and say the first letter, the sound of the first letter, and ask them to write a or an. This is the fourth question, frame sentences. There is a picture of a cat and a picture of ball, and ask your child to frame a sentence using simple words. A sentence starts with capital letter and ends with a full stop. So ask them to write a simple sentence like, for example, this is a picture of a cat and a picture of a ball. They can even write saying this is a cat or this is a ball. Or else you can ask them to write like it is a ball or it is a cat. Now let's see the next question. The next question is the fifth one. Draw the opposite pictures. I have given a picture of hot like a coffee, picture of a coffee, and you can ask your child to draw the opposite of it. What is the opposite of hot? It is cold, right? So they can draw a picture of ice cream. And thick, opposite of thick is thin. So they can draw a picture of thin pencil or something. A big ball, they can draw a small ball. Opposite of big is small. So small ball. And here a picture of happy face. Now ask your child to draw a sad face. The opposite of happy is sad. This is our sixth question. This question is based on blend sounds. When we join two letters together, especially consonant letters together, it produces a single sound. That's called blends. Here we have some pictures like grapes, flag, drum. The first one is grapes and in the bracket gr, ch and th. Ask your child to find the right letter and fill it in the blanks like apes, grapes. The second one is flag. In the bracket fl, cl and gl. Now ask the child to find the right one and fill it there. The third one is drum, dr, cr and fr. And they should find the right letter, right sound like dr or cr or fr, and they should fill it in the space. Now the seventh question. This is rhyming words. You know what is rhyming words? Yes, the words ending with a similar sound. Here we have et, wet, and the last one is et, jet. So both the words end with the same sounds like et sounds. So we can ask your child to fill the similar words like wet and jet, like 3-letter words, similar 3-letter words in the space given. This one is unrhyming words like b-un ending with un sound, r-un, run. So ask your child to fill in the blanks with unsound words like gun, fun, all these words. This is our 8th question. This question is write the missing letters. This question is based on digraphs. When we join two consonants letters that produce a single sound, for example like C and H together, ch, single sound, and S and H together, sh, and T and H together, th. The first picture is ship, sh, ip. So ask your child to fill in the blanks sh, S and H, sh, ip, ship. Second is chair, ch, C and H together, ch, air, chair. Third picture is shoe. Here again sh, u, shoe. And the other one is three, re, three. This way you can make your child do these questions. This is the 9th question. This is based on one or many, like singular or plural. That means we should ask our child to write, add yes, additional yes on the plural form of noun. Singular means it's only one object or only one person or only one noun. Plural means more than one. Here we have a picture of a cat. So ask your child to write cat, C-A-T, cat. The other side there are more than one cat. So they should add yes on it and they should write C-A-T and yes together. So cats. Here we have only one bell. So ask your child to write bell, the spelling of bell. And here they should add yes, bells. B-E-L-L-S. This is the last question, the 10th question. Answer the following. And the question is, what is your name? You can ask your child to write his or her name here saying, my name is so and so. I hope I have covered most of the syllabus, UKG syllabus in this question paper. So please go through it. These are my previous question papers which I have already uploaded in my channels on EVS, English as well as Max subjects. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video and convey my best wishes to your tidy one. Take care. Bye bye.